Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how to enable BitLocker on Windows 11 for device protection. Now, if you're not sure what BitLocker is, it's basically a full device encryption, and it encrypts all your data in the event that your computer or device were to be stolen, and it requires two-factor authentication to recover. Really good, solid data protection. And it's pretty easy to set up, so we're just going to show you guys visually how to do that. Now, there are two requisites for being able to enable BitLocker. First is that you need to have Windows 11 Pro or better, so it's not enabled on the Home Edition of Windows 11. Second is that you need to have a Microsoft account. With those two things, you'll be able to enable BitLocker. One last thing before we get started, if you don't yet have Windows 11 Pro, or you want to check out other Microsoft software at a fantastic price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have those links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're on the Windows 11 desktop here, and actually the easiest way to get to this setting is to go to our File Explorer. We're going to right click on this PC, and then we're going to select Properties. This is going to bring us to the About section of the settings, so we could also just go through the settings menu. But once we're here in this menu, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. We're going to click on BitLocker. So we can see that BitLocker is turned on. We can turn it on and off with this little button right here. Okay, so we say decryption is in progress, and we can click to see what's going on here. Now, from the same menu, we would just as easily be able to enable BitLocker. Now, within the same menu is actually the product key and activation, so if you need to change or update your version of Windows 11 to access BitLocker, you can do so right here. Alright, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you guys have any questions about this process, drop those in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, if you're interested in upgrading to Windows 11 Pro or other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have links in the description box below. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.